The secret millionaires used to pass down wealth tax-free. Most people think the rich stay rich because of what they make. But the truth? It's about what they keep, and more importantly, what they pass down. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the biggest secrets in America's financial system. A secret that helps millionaires transfer wealth tax-free, using tools that you can access too. Part 1. The step up in basis, the hidden reset button. Let's start with the step up in basis. Sounds complicated, but it's really simple. When someone passes away, the value of their assets, like real estate or stocks, gets a step up to the current market value. So if grandma bought a house for $50,000 and today it's worth $500,000, her heirs inherit it at $500,000. That means when the family sells it, they pay no capital gains tax on the $450,000 in growth. That's the hidden reset button of generational wealth. But if you don't own it right, or if the government forces a sale through probate, that reset button can vanish. That's why the wealthy don't just own things, they structure them. Part 2. Trusts, the family bank of the future. We've all heard trust fund, baby. But few people realize trusts aren't just for the rich. They're how people become rich. A trust is like your family's private bank and court system rolled into one. It says who gets what, when they get it, and how it's protected. It keeps your money out of probate, away from lawsuits, divorces, and even Uncle Sam's greedy hands. The key is control. Without ownership, the wealthy don't want to own everything. Ownership is what gets taxed, but control? That's where freedom lives. When you set up an irrevocable life insurance trust or family trust, your assets move under the trust's name, legally shielding them from estate taxes. Part 3. Life insurance, the tax-free legacy engine. The same life insurance that many people think is just for burial is actually one of the most powerful wealth tools ever created. When the wealthy buy permanent life insurance, they're not just buying protection, they're buying tax-free inheritance. When they pass, that payout, sometimes millions, goes straight to their heirs, tax-free. And if it's owned by a trust, it doesn't even count toward their estate's taxable value. They pay premiums using taxed dollars once, and pass down untaxed wealth forever. It's how some families turn one generation's sacrifice into the next generation's freedom. Part 4. The lesson for the culture. For generations, we've been taught to pass down jewelry, a house, or maybe a few savings bonds, but the game has changed. It's time we pass down structures, systems, and strategy. The same blueprint used by Rockefeller, by Disney, by the wealthy elite can be used by us too. It just takes knowledge, intention, and a little paperwork. Because legacy isn't about what you leave behind. It's about what you leave in motion. Part 5. The call to action. Start small. Learn about revocable and irrevocable trusts. Talk to a financial advisor about cash value life insurance. And protect your family's assets before the system claims them. Because the next generation shouldn't have to start over. They should start ahead. This is Black Dollar and Culture, where we don't just talk about money, we talk about power.